a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. This floral design is made up of 16 tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles, which are triangular, and shape of each tile is triangle in shape. The sides of the triangle being 9, 28 and 35 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the tile. Find the cost of polishing the 16 tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. Now in this question given is a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. It means total number of tiles here, total number of tiles are 16, which are triangular in shape. The sides of the triangle, this is the zoomed portion of this triangle, the sides of the triangle being 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Sides of one triangle are 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Now to find the cost of polishing the 16 tiles. We have to find cost of polishing the 16 tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. So first of all, we have to find area of one tile by using Heron's formula. Area of one tile equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C by using Heron's formula. Here A equal to 9 centimeter, B equal to 28 centimeter and C equal to 35 centimeter. So firstly, we have to calculate semi-perimeter. 9 plus 28 plus 35 divide by 2. Now add these numbers. Sum will equal to 72 divided by 2. Semi-perimeter is of 36 centimeter. Now in next step we have to put value of S, A, B, C under this square root. Area of one tile equal to under root S S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now next step, 36. 36 minus 9 equal to 27. 36 minus 28 equal to 8. 36 minus 35 equal to 1. Now the prime factors of 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Prime factors of 27. Are 3 into 3 into 3 and 8. 2 into 2 into 2. Now make pair of same numbers and bring out one number from each pair. The number will become 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 under root 6. Now multiply this number. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36 under root 6 centimeter square. Now this is the area of one tile, but we have to find area of 16 tiles. Now area of one tile equal to 36 under root 6 centimeter square. Area of 16 tiles equal to 36 under root 6 into 16. Now multiply these two numbers. Product will equal to 576 under root 6 centimeter square. Now next step, find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. Cost of 1 centimeter square for polishing the tiles is given. Cost of 1 centimeter square equal to 50 paise. It is given. Now convert paise into rupees. 50 by 100 rupees. Now cost of 1 centimeter square equal to 50 by 100 rupees. We have to find cost of 16 tiles for polishing the tiles. Therefore cost of 576 under root 6 centimeter square equal to 50 by 100 into 576 under root 6. Now cost of 576 under root 6 centimeter square equal to 288 root 6 rupees. Put value of root 6. Square root of root 6 is 2.45. It is approximate square root of 6. It is the approximate value of square root 6. Now multiply 288 with 2.45. Now after multiplication, product will equal to 705.60 rupees. Hence, cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise for 16 tiles equal to rupees 705.60. Hence, cost of polishing the 16 tiles equal to rupees 705.60.